Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. And as usual, welcome and thank you, thank you, thank you. And at the bottom of this video, of course, is all my information about my Shopify account, the emailing address, liking the video, sharing the video if you like, and also a description of what we'll be doing today, a brief one. So again, I thank you. So let's get right into it. So the last time I had my video, I said to you, I found my wonderful stash. You know, I ordered and I took my stash and put it to the side. I don't think I made a video out of this one yet. I don't even think I looked inside of this one. So we're going to open this. Excuse me, and we're going to go through it quickly, and then we're going to design something really quick. So I say, and then we'll take it from there. So let's see what we have in here from the cherry tree. All right. Oops. Oh, look at this as usual. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, and a lot of times too, let me just hide this. They'll send you, as you can see, like a code or a coupon and how much of a percentage you'll get off. And this shows you read what was on there. That's how long ago I had ordered this. So let me take this and put it to the side. And then I'm going to see what we have here. And of course, you know I love the packing. And in mailing my items, one of the things that I do try to do with the customers that I may gain is take it and wrap it up the same way. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, I love it. Professionally done. Look at that. Oh, what did I order? Oh, I love these. Look at this. Oh, glass beads. The rondelles, 16 inches long. As you can see, they're faceted, and I love it. And this one is green, and this one is black. Look at that. Oh, I wish I could have found this the other day. I think I have an idea what I want to do now. See what that reads? Oh, I love it. You know, your girl is not always swift, and I wanted to order more of these. And of course, they were out. As a matter of fact, I'm going to look on the list exactly what these types of beads are again. And look at this. I need to tell you exactly what these are. Hold on for a second. Hold on. Let me find out exactly what these are. Be right back. Okay. Thank you. We are back. You know, it didn't make sense for me to just guess what these beads were when, look, I have the invoice right here. So all I need to do is read from the invoice that they sent. And there was something that I wanted to show you guys on this invoice. Hold on. Oh. Isn't that the cutest? Thank you. You know, exclamation point and some hearts. I just wanted to share that. I thought it was cute, just cute. Okay, here we go. So I arranged this really nice. I apologize. And I lined everything up. And there's my little pointer here. So I ordered 4 strands of the synthetic team color 10 by 14 millimeter orange and black rectangle beads. And they are approximately 8-inch strand. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? It's orange and black rectangle. I like it. And the next one would be the synthetic team color 10 by 14 millimeter yellow and black rectangle beads. And these also are approximately an 8-inch strand. Beautiful colors, black and yellow. Yes, yes, yes. You learn what to do with that. The next one also is a synthetic team color 10 by 14 green and yellow rectangle. The same, approximately 8 inches. I like it, I like it. And this one right here is orange and blue rectangle synthetic bead or beads. I love the shape, of course. I'm trying to get into more geometric shapes with the beads because they're very, very nice. And this one is yellow and blue, as you can tell. 10 by 14 millimeters. And it's approximately an 8-inch strand. Now this one, I wish, again, as usual, I'm slow. I should be quick when I saw it. Of course, these are my size beads. And these are bumpy glass pearl 16 millimeter coordination round. Look at that. Carnation round. Bumpy glass. Can you see the bumps on them? 16 millimeter. And you know, anytime you have this type of bead, it has to be the star of the show. And of course, these are crystal black, jet black, as a matter of fact, rondelle, approximately 15.5-inch strand. And these are 6 by 8 millimeter. Jet black rondelle strand. And of course, these are beautiful also. Crystal, again, 6 by 8 opaque bronze kiss jade green rondelle beads. Crystal opaque bronze kissed jade green rondelle beads. And these are 15.5 inches. And also 6 by 8. So, this is mine. Everything's listed. Good to keep your invoices so you can refer back to them. And like I said, we are going to do something really, really quick. And I have to let you know, being that I like the big beads, I'm going to use these, the bumpy glass beads. And I'm going to leave this out just in case. And I think I'll leave this one out too. And then I'll take the rest. And we'll use those another time. All right. Turn this over. And just wrap these back up. Okay, welcome back. I want to apologize. I had some difficulty. You'll see that there are some changes here, and I'll explain it at the end of the video. So once again, we have our mauve seed beads, M-A-U-V-E. It's pronounced mauve, not mauve, the way I said it the first time, mauve. And then we have our crystal-lined seed beads, the silver ones. And we have our long teardrop crystal faceted beads here. We have 3 ear wires, and you'll see why. And we have our ball with a ball at the end, head pins. And remember, these are 22 gauge and these are 2 inches long. All right, again, let's just get into it. All right, sorry about that. Let's pick up where we left off. So this time, again, I'm sorry. Head pin. The bead. The bumpy bead. The bumpy bead. I like that. The silver lined crystal head pin. You see that? And we're going to get the long teardrop faceted crystal bead. See how it's being assembled? Very nice so far. And we're going to get the silver crystal bead one more. See that? Okay. I'm going to hold this carefully. And I'm just going to take the long needle nose plier. Place it here. All right. Don't have much left. So right over the little, in the back this way. Just a little bit. I don't think I need to cut anything. 90-degree angle, let's see. And we'll take our round nose plier. Just come over. And then, whoop, let's put the bead back there. Then we'll come over again. I'm going to come around 2 times. If I can get that, straighten it up. Tuck that in with that loop. Oh wow, I like loop. See how I have my loop? And lay this down here, nice and tight. Oh, I like how that's standing. I know I have to turn it around another way. Well, maybe I don't after all. Let's see. There you go again. There you go, it's very nice. Pick up our teardrop. And I'll do this again by hand. Oops, where'd you go? Thank you. Here you go. Very, very nice. Then again, just a tip. Of the needle nose plier, just want to adjust it just to the tip, just to make a little angle. That's all I want. I don't want anything big. Then I'll take my round nose plier. See it? It's going to come right here. Make sure nothing is sticking out. Oops, sorry. Round. Let's try this again. Round. Let me see if I get 2 loops. In the back. There we go with these loops. Hold on. There we go. Adjust it. Come in. Oh, nice. Nice and tight. Fix my loop the way I want. I'm just going to use my needle nose plier to open this. Hang that there. Close it up. You never know why I can't go back the way it's supposed to. Put that there. Let me get the other one. Open it up. I'm going to adjust this later on. I just wanted to give you an idea of what I did. And I'm going to close it back up. Make sure it's lined up with the back part. If you're not happy, close it a little bit. And there you go. Let me just remove these really quick. So you can see, I'll put them both back up here. But I want you to see it separately. There you go. And I want to show you something else. I had made another pair, but I did the clip-ons for these. So the clip-ons were my practice ones. And then you can see how I did those and how they came out. I'm just going to rest this here. And then, hold on. The ones I just made for you, here. So I want to thank you for looking at this video. Real quick, I want to apologize. You see, things are different in this video because when I started doing this video, the very first time, I was feeling okay. You know, you get ready and you drink some coffee and then you gargle. But this time when I gargled with salt water. So I used the iron dye soap with some warm water and I gargled twice, and so that was good. And when I left the video, I think it was the second time, I wasn't feeling good. I was kind of dizzy. And I was out for 2 days. I was absolutely positively gone for 2 days. And so what affected me, believe it or not, was the salt. So I already know about my pressure and the salt. I didn't think gargling would affect me because I usually gargle with warm lemon water or maybe lemon and honey or something like that. But this time I was in a rush. I was happy. I had some coffee, gargled, and that was it. Took me out for 2 days. So I apologize. So here is what I've done. So when I was feeling a little better, like I said, was out for 2 days. I made these two. I wanted to see how it looked with the clip, and then I demonstrated how it was done with this pair. So again, thank you for your patience. All the information is below. Please, you have a wonderful day, and thank you as always for looking at my video. And take care, please.